Her real name is Yagmur Tanrisevsin. Date of birth August 24, 1990. Present age she is currently 34 years old. She was born in Bursin, Turkey. She is a Turkish by nationality. She is an actress by profession. He is active 2011 to present. Her height is 5 feet 6 inches tall. His real name is Halil Ibrahim Ceyhan. Date of birth December 13, 1982. Present age he is currently 14 years old. He was born in Sivas, Turkey. He is a Turkish by nationality. He is an actor and model by profession. He is active 2013 to present. His height is 6 feet 1 inches tall. His real name is Kerem Bursin. Date of birth June 4, 1987. Present age is currently 36 years old. He was born in Istanbul, Turkey. He is a Turkish by nationality. He is an actor by profession. He is active 2006 to present. His height is 5 feet 11 inches tall. His ethnicity is white. His zodiac sign is Sagittarius.